So we're going to change the PLT Thor tooling here. We have the extended 4-inch tall die rise. We're going to go to the 1-inch tall die rise. First thing we should do is go to the back of the tool and shut the air off. If so inclined, you could lock out and tag this out. Going back to the tool, now the tool's in the down position, but you can easily lift and lower. The Allen wrench is a 2.5 millimeter. There is a M3 screw in the bottom here that holds that tool in place. So once we get that loose, that comes out, and we switch to the alternate tool. And we're tightening that screw up. And we want to make sure that this seats fully, so we're tightening it right down to the bottom, nice and snug. That's not going anywhere. Now we'll need a 3 millimeter Allen wrench to loosen this upper tool set screw. To get the matching set. So this is the DHPH 400 set. This is the DHPH 25 set. And when you're tightening this up, you want to find the flat on the tooling. If I can find the set screw here. You want to find the flat on the tooling, so you move back and forth, feel it come up against that flat. Snug that right up. And now your tooling's ready to go. We put air back to it. And that's back up, ready to go. And we're ready to clinch.